mattress. It is actually double-sized mattress.
If you traveled to Australia between the 1960s and 1980s, the Viscount Royal was a familiar sight on highways and caravan parks. Its lightweight aluminum frame, spacious interiors, and stylish design made it a favorite among Aussie families seeking adventure. This is the story of the Viscount Royal. The story behind the Viscount Royal. Viscount caravans emerged as a dominant force in Australia's caravan industry in the 1950s. Founded in Sydney, the company quickly gained a reputation for producing stylish, lightweight, and affordable caravans. By the 1960s, Viscount had become one of the largest caravan manufacturers in the country, competing with brands like Millard and Franklin. The Viscount Royal, introduced in the 1960s, was a game changer. Unlike its predecessors, it featured aluminum cladding over a wooden frame, making it both durable and lightweight. The Royal series was known for its distinctive rounded shape, panoramic windows, and innovative layouts. It catered to families and long-distance travelers, offering comfort and convenience at an affordable price. Post-war Australia saw a surge in road travel, fueled by economic prosperity, improved highway networks, and a growing middle class. Australians embraced caravanning as an affordable alternative to hotels, enabling them to explore remote regions with the comforts of home. By the late 1960s and 70s, caravan parks flourished across Australia, particularly along coastal routes and inland highways. The Viscount Royal became a staple in these parks, offering a blend of luxury and practicality. Features like built-in kitchens, dinettes that converted into beds, and innovative ventilation systems set it apart. By the 80s, Viscount had produced tens of thousands of caravans, cementing its legacy as an Aussie holiday icon. Though the brand eventually faded, the Viscount Royal remains a sought-after vintage classic, symbolizing the golden era of Australian caravanning. Now, before we dive into the production details, could you do us a quick favor? If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Over 98% of you watch without subscribing. Imagine the impact if everyone did. It's free and it means a lot to us. Thanks a bunch. Revolutionizing Aussie road trips. The Viscount Royal, produced between the 1960s and 80s, revolutionized Australian road trips by offering an unprecedented combination of affordability, comfort, and innovative design. At a time when caravanning was becoming a popular alternative to traditional holiday accommodations, the Royal series set new industry standards, making long-distance travel more accessible for Aussie families. One of its key innovations was its construction. Unlike older timber frame caravans, the Viscount Royal featured an aluminum-clad exterior over a timber frame, later evolving into full aluminum frames for enhanced durability and reduced weight. This made it easier to tow, even with the six-cylinder family cars of the era, such as the Holden Kingswood and Ford Falcon. The lightweight design also improved fuel efficiency, making road trips more economical. Inside, the Viscount Royal was ahead of its time, offering functional layouts tailored to family needs. It featured spacious dinettes that converted into beds, compact yet efficient kitchens with gas stoves, and strategically placed storage compartments. Many models included large panoramic windows, providing excellent ventilation and natural light, ideal for Australia's varied climate. By the 1970s, some models introduced fiberglass roofs for better insulation and longevity. The Viscount Royal became the go-to caravan for Aussie families because it struck the perfect balance between luxury and practicality. It was affordable compared to imported alternatives, yet it offered features that made extended travel comfortable. With Australia's expanding highway network and growing interest in exploring remote destinations, the Royal allowed families to embark on adventure-filled holidays with the comforts of home. Even today, restored Viscount Royals remain highly sought after, a testament to their lasting impact on Australia's caravanning culture. Peak popularity and cultural impact. During the 1960s and 70s, the Viscount Royal reached the peak of its popularity, becoming a symbol of freedom and adventure for Australian holidaymakers. As road travel boomed, fueled by improved roadways and an expanding middle class, caravanning emerged as the ideal way to explore the vast Australian landscape. The Viscount Royal was at the heart of this movement, offering an affordable and comfortable alternative to hotels and motels. The caravan played a key role in shaping holiday traditions, particularly for families seeking budget-friendly vacations. Aussie summers were synonymous with long road trips and caravan parks along the East Coast, from the Great Ocean Road to Queensland's Gold Coast, became popular holiday destinations. The Royal's well-designed interiors provided essential amenities, including built-in kitchens, convertible sleeping areas, and ample storage, allowing travelers to enjoy extended stays without sacrificing comfort. Many families form lasting memories around their Viscount Royal, from beachside barbecues to outback adventures. Beyond the coastal getaways, the Viscount Royal was a reliable companion for those venturing into the Australian outback. Its lightweight aluminum body made it easier to tow over long distances, while its durable frame handled the rugged conditions of inland roads. Many owners customized their Royals for off-grid travel, adding water tanks, extra storage, and solar setups to make them more self-sufficient. From caravan rallies to camping festivals, the Viscount Royal became deeply embedded in Australian culture. Even as newer caravan models entered the market, the Viscount Royal retained a cult following. Today, restored versions remain highly sought after, representing a golden era of Australian road tripping and a legacy of adventure that continues to inspire. The mystery and decline of the Viscount Royal. By the late 1970s and early 1980s, the Viscount Royal's dominance in the Australian caravan market began to wane. Once a household name, Viscount caravans faced increasing competition from other manufacturers like Millard, Franklin, and Jayco, which introduced modern designs and new materials. Additionally, changing consumer preferences and economic shifts contributed to the brand's decline. One of the major factors behind the Viscount Royal's fading legacy was the introduction of more lightweight and aerodynamically efficient fiberglass caravans. While the aluminum-clad Viscount models were durable, they lacked the streamlined features and insulation advancements of newer designs. Additionally, as international travel became more affordable, fewer Australians relied on caravans for holidays, leading to reduced demand. The company underwent restructuring in the 1980s, and by the early 1990s, Viscount ceased production, marking the end of an era. Despite its disappearance from the mainstream market, the Viscount Royal remains highly sought after by collectors and restorers. Enthusiasts appreciate its vintage charm, solid construction, and nostalgic appeal. Many restoration projects focus on modernizing the interiors while preserving the caravan's classic aesthetic, making it suitable for contemporary travel. Some restorers retrofit them with solar panels, upgraded appliances, and reinforced chassis for off-grid adventures. In recent years, the resurgence of retro caravanning has further revived interest in the Viscount Royal. Vintage caravan rallies, social media groups, and dedicated restoration workshops have helped keep its legacy alive. For many, owning a restored Viscount Royal is not just about travel, it's about preserving a piece of Australian history and reliving the golden age of road trips. The resurgence of the Viscount Royal. In recent years, the Viscount Royal has experienced a remarkable resurgence, driven by growing appreciation for vintage caravans and the nostalgia of classic Australian road trips. As more travelers seek unique, retro-style experiences, restored Viscount Royals have become highly desirable, with enthusiasts dedicating time and resources to bringing these iconic caravans back to life. Modern restorations focus on preserving the original charm of the Royal while upgrading essential components to meet contemporary travel standards. Many restorers reinforce the aluminum frame, install modern insulation, and upgrade electrical systems to include solar power and lithium batteries, making these vintage caravans self-sufficient for off-grid adventures. Interiors are often renovated with new upholstery, flooring, and appliances while retaining the classic panoramic windows and timeless Viscount design. Some even restore the original pastel color schemes, paying homage to the caravan's 1960s and 1970s aesthetic. The revival of vintage caravanning has been fueled by social media, caravan rallies, and a renewed interest in slow travel. Dedicated online communities celebrate restored Viscount Royals, sharing restoration tips, travel stories, and customization ideas. Enthusiasts often showcase their caravans at events like the Vintage Caravan Nationals, highlighting the craftsmanship and heritage of these classics. Despite decades passing since its peak production, the Viscount Royal remains a symbol of Aussie adventure. Its durability, practical design, and nostalgic appeal continue to capture the imagination of travelers who want to explore Australia's coastline and outback with a piece of history in tow. For many, restoring and traveling in a Viscount Royal is more than just a hobby. It's a tribute to an era when the open road and a caravan were all that was needed for an unforgettable holiday. The Viscount Royal wasn't just a caravan. It was a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the golden age of Aussie road trips. Its timeless design and lasting impact prove that a well-built classic never truly fades. Do you think classic caravans like the Viscount Royal still have a place in modern travel? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories.